We're on our way to Minster for the regional practice session. We got Chris Sloan here. And we have a little debate going on that I want you guys to chime in on.
It's not a debate.
I don't think there should be foul lines in bowling because it's no advantage if you cross it.
It's just a construct of the game. Like, it's just, I don't even understand how this can be a conversation. I don't get it.
Take out foul lines.
No, what are you talking about? Why don't we just make the lane 146 feet and change that too?
Why doesn't everybody just subscribe to the channel? I don't want to get ahead of myself here, but practice session went absolutely amazing. Probably couldn't have gone better. Maybe the best practice session of my life. So right side, hard. Left side, not hard. I better make the cut this week.
My practice today went absolutely deplorable. Practice today was tricky. Our side of the lane looked, a little tough. Urethane to start. It was either like right up it like this, or we went all the way over here and went all the way around. So I think scores are going to be low. I was talking to a couple of guys. They seem to think the same thing. Booyah, Zen Master, Dark Code, I feel like they're what's going to be in play for me this week. Make the cut tomorrow. There's only one spot I'm looking for, let's not forget. It's 100% not 4th. It's 3 spots higher than 4th, so let's see what we can do this week.
So basically left side is super walled. Packy bowled for about an hour and a half too long.
So it's gonna be fun tomorrow. Lots of splits. Either way, Michael Davidson's gonna bowl well, and we'll catch you guys tomorrow.